In this video, we're going to show you how to automate political news monitoring using Browse AI. If you're someone who keeps track of political news, whether it's to stay updated on trends, monitor key events, or understand public opinion, Browse AI can make that job a whole lot easier. Stick with me until the end and you'll see how you can set up this tool to automatically collect and organize political news from multiple sources, saving you hours of manual work. If you're new to Browse AI, it's a powerful tool that lets you automate tasks on websites without needing to know how to code. The software acts like a personal assistant for the web, extracting information like headlines, articles, or even comments based on your specifications. It works on any website that can be accessed through a browser. So whether you're tracking major political websites, social media discussions, or niche political blogs, Browse AI can get you the data you need. You can easily set up Browse AI to scrape political news content on the fly. Just go to the site, highlight the information you want to track, say headlines about the latest political scandal or specific topics like government policy updates, and Browse AI takes over from there. The software will automatically monitor that page, collecting the content you're interested in. It's like having a personal assistant that works 24/7 to keep you up to date on everything happening in the political world. Now, one of the best features of Browse AI is its automation. Instead of having to manually check multiple websites throughout the day, you can set it up once and let it run on autopilot. It will pull the data from various news outlets and even specific articles or sources you may be following. You can customize it to fetch data as often as you need, be it every hour, daily, or whenever a new post goes live. Plus, it's cloud-based, so you don't even have to keep your computer on to have the tool running. But what about accuracy? Browse AI has been designed with precision in mind. It doesn't just scrape random bits of text, it pulls exactly what you need, whether that's specific sections of a page, headlines, or even deep links. This means you get political news, analysis, and reports that are immediately relevant to your interests. Another fantastic feature is the ability to track changes. If there's a new update or breaking news related to your topic, Browse AI will alert you instantly. This is key for political monitoring, as things move fast in the political world. Knowing the latest information can give you a real edge, especially if you're tracking multiple candidates, legislation, or political events. Whether you're a political analyst, journalist, or just someone passionate about staying in the know, this software helps you avoid wasting time on manual tasks. And the best part? You can start using Browse AI for completely free with our exclusive bonuses when you click the first link below. By now, you're probably wondering how you can get started. The good news is it's simple. Once you sign up, you'll have access to an extended free trial that lets you dive straight into automating political news monitoring. This trial will give you full access to the features without any commitment, so you can see firsthand how it can save you time and keep you informed. So, if you want to get ahead in political news monitoring and automate the process, Browse AI is the perfect tool. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial linked below to start automating today.